Most AI video tools dump a clip in a chat window and wish you luck. Palmier does something smarter. It drops a generative AI video model straight into a real Premiere style editing timeline. You generate a clip, trim it, layer it, and export it without ever leaving the editor. It's open source, it's Mac native, and it's pulled thousands of stars in just a few months. There's one honest catch I'll get to, but first, watch the whole pitch on a phone. Here's the Palmier site on a phone, and the tagline says it all. The video editor built for AI. The promise is to generate, edit, and export production-ready AI video without leaving your timeline. Scroll down and you see what makes it tick. Multi-track editing for video, audio, images, and text AI generation dropped right into that timeline, and the ability to mix AI-generated shots with your own imported footage on the same layers. The whole thing is backed by Y Combinator. That little counter already reads over 9,000 GitHub stars, and the page is quietly confident. There's a download button for the Mac app and a demo reel playing right on the homepage. For a project that's barely 3 months old, that is a genuine rocket. Behind it is Harrison Tin, a Y Combinator and Berkeley alum building Palmier out of San Francisco. This isn't a faceless corporate drop. It's a small, fast-moving team shipping new builds almost every single day. They open sourced the whole editor on GitHub, wrote it from scratch in Swift rather than wrapping a web app in a window, and explicitly set their North Star as Palmier Pro, just with AI woven through the workflow instead of bolted on the side. That's a bold target for a young team, and the choice of native Swift tells you they care about performance and feel, not just shipping a demo. When a founding team builds this much in the open and ships this fast, it's a strong signal that the momentum is real, not just a launch week spike that fades by next month. Let's talk about that number, because it's wild. Palmier went public in April and it's already past 9,000 stars on GitHub. That's the kind of curve you usually see from projects years in the making. Not a brand new Swift app for one operating system. It tells you there's a real pent-up hunger for AI video that lives inside a proper editor instead of yet another website where you type a prompt and pray. Think about the usual workflow. You generate a clip on one site, download it, drag it into a different editor, and repeat that dance for every single shot. Palmier collapses all of that into one window, and clearly a lot of people have been waiting for exactly that. People don't star a brand new repo this hard unless it scratches an itch they genuinely have. So what's actually in the box? You get a genuine multi-track editor with the pro basics: trim, split, speed, opacity, transforms. You get in-timeline generation from a lineup of state-of-the-art models: Kling, Seedance, Veo, and Grok Imagine, picked right there as you edit for both video and images. It plugs into your coding agents, Claude, Cursor, and Codex over an MCP server, so an agent can sit in the same project and build or tweak a video alongside you. And here's the part that makes it usable for real work. When you're done, it exports straight to Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. Your project isn't trapped in some proprietary box. It slots right into the pipeline you already use, which is exactly how an open tool should behave. And this isn't a code dump that someone tossed over the wall. The project has over 600 forks, a README already translated into 15 languages, from Spanish and Japanese to Arabic and Hindi. And the whole editor ships under the GPL, so it stays genuinely open. New tagged releases land at a pace most teams can only dream of, sometimes several in a single week, which means bugs get fixed and models get added while the hype is still fresh. That 15-language reach also tells you this isn't just a Silicon Valley niche toy. People around the world are betting time on it. That combination, a real copyleft license, a real global community, and real shipping velocity, is exactly what separates a project worth actually adopting from one you bookmark and forget about. Now, the honest catch I promised, because there are actually two. First, the editor itself is free and open source under the GPL, but the AI generation runs on third-party models like Kling, Seedance, and Veo, and those burn credits. Palmier sells plans for that, starting around $29 a month at launch pricing. So picture it as a free open source editor with a paid AI gas tank. The app itself costs nothing. The cloud generation does, and that's a fair model when the heavy lifting runs on someone else's expensive GPUs. If you bring your own footage, you can edit all day for free. Second catch, and it's a real one. It's Apple Silicon only right now, and it needs the latest macOS, Tahoe. So if you're on Windows, Linux, and Intel Mac, or an older macOS, you're sitting this one out for the moment. Neither catch is a deal breaker, but you should know both going in instead of finding out at the download page. If you want to try it, everything lives on the GitHub repo. And here it is on mobile. You'll find the full source, the feature list, a one-click download of the Mac app as a disk image, and the MCP server that wires it into your agents. Star it, read the code, fork it, or just grab the download and start editing. The repo is the real home base. Open issues, the rapid-fire releases, and the community Discord all branch off from here. And because it's GPL, you can actually verify what the app does with your footage. For an open source project moving this fast, the GitHub page is genuinely the best place to watch where it heads next. So here's the bottom line. If you're on an Apple Silicon Mac and you've ever wanted to generate AI video without abandoning a real editing timeline, Palmier is genuinely one of the most exciting open source projects of the year. And it's free to download and poke at today. If you're not on a recent Mac, keep it firmly on your radar because a project growing this fast, this openly, rarely stays locked to one platform forever. The repository and the site are both linked in the description so you can dig in yourself. If this was useful, subscribe. We dig up a fresh open source tool every week. See you in the next one.